we're going to do this.
Okay.
So we're going to get a little olive oil. So the secret to this is when you do scrambled eggs, you want to use olive oil. When you do fried eggs, we use butter. Olive oil gets hotter.
Never knew that.
So now you're going to take a little bit of this, and you're going to whisk
That's
this.
called salt.
Thank
Salt.
you.
There you go. That's a whisk.
And a
Got
whisk.
it.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
Because you're like, ooh, delicate flour.
Yes, I don't-
Poke the yolks and put some arm into
That's all
it,
you
Nate.
do?
Come
A
on.
muscle, man.
All right.
Now, just before it smokes, it'll start to ripple a
It'll
little
ripple,
bit. It'll
yeah.
rip.
Okay.
Yes, see, ripple.
Okay.
Now you can add your eggs.
Okay.
All right.
Eggs in. Good job,
Okay,
Nate.
nice. Look at that. Okay, now you're going to do this. You're going to mix it up a little, okay?
All right.
There you go. Now, this is the point at which I think they're done, but
My
nobody else
husband likes
does.
them like that, too.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't.
My sister likes them burned. It's
Yeah,
horrible.
me too.
Oh, you like them brown?
Go ahead and burn.
Well, because I'm Jewish, so
Well, go-
we usually eat our food burnt. It's true. Here.
Those look
All right.
beautiful,
Okay.
Nicely
Nate.
done.
Thank you.